Hello dear friends! To freeze the video, cut the part you want to stop and place the playhead on that frame. Then right-click on it and select Change Clip Speed. Activate the Freeze Frame option and click on Change. You can change the length of the video by dragging the edges, or you can specify the length of the video by right-clicking on it and selecting Change Clip Duration, or selecting it and using Ctrl and D keys. Pay attention that these numbers show frames, seconds, minutes, and hours. After specifying the length of the video, click Change. To reverse a video or audio, right-click on it and select Change Clip Speed. Activate the Reverse Speed option and click on Change. To increase or decrease the speed of the video or audio, right-click on it and select Change Clip Speed. As you can see, the normal speed of the timeline is 30 frames per second. Also, you can see the speed is 100. You can change the playback speed of the file by changing one of the speed or frames per second options. For example, by changing the speed to 200, the video playback speed doubles. As you can see, by changing the speed, the length of the clip remains constant. So, by reducing or increasing the speed of the file, the amount of content in it changes. If you want the content in the file to remain constant, choose Ripple Timeline. As you can see, as the speed of a file increases, its length decreases. And as the speed of a file decreases, its length will increase. But in both cases, the content in it will not change. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.